Hey guys, once again this is Vic and welcome back to the Planet V. If you are new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and please click that notification bell for the upcoming videos. Today we're gonna visit the romantic village of Portugal, which is Sintra.
No aconchego da areia, ele dorme a noite inteira. Não há o que duvidar, ali é seu lugar. Eu não te impeço de chorar. Pode perguntar onde é meu lugar. Tudo certo da correnteza aos pinguins na natureza, até a paciência que vem tão devagar. Eu não me canso de pensar que era com
This is our
você.
second time here in Sintra, guys, and then whenever we pass that specific street, there's always a long queue.
Yes.
And this is the reason why.
They have this Casa Periquita.
And
I don't know what is there
wait,
inside.
no, that's the name of the
Yes,
store, yeah?
But this is something that they sell to everyone, so people
Yeah.
are really looking for this.
We have something in here.
And then
Ingredients: queijo, açúcar, farinha de trigo, ovo pasteurizado e canela.
Sintrain type of pastelha de nata, I guess. And then, as people were also choosing something, and I didn't know what to get, so I just took like two of each. Different kind of things.
Let me see.
We will try them
Okay.
somewhere. It's warm. It smells good.
Okay. Promising.
Yes.
Good. We'll try it later.
Tudo certo da correnteza aos pinguins na natureza, até a paciência que vem tão devagar. Eu não me canso de pensar que era com você. Era meu lugar. No aconchego da areia, ele dorme a noite inteira. Não há o que duvidar, ali é seu lugar. Eu não te impeço de chorar. Pode perguntar onde é meu lugar. Tudo certo da correnteza aos pinguins na natureza, até a paciência que vem tão devagar. Eu não me canso de pensar que era com você.
The Quinta da Regaleira is a quinta or estate which is one of the main attractions in Sintra. It is classified as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO within the cultural landscape of Sintra. estate has a romantic palace and chapel, a lush park that features lakes, grottos, wells, benches, fountains, and a vast array of exquisite constructions. The palace was designed by the Italian architect Luigi Manini.
I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on that shut down, hanging around, got old. 'Cause darling, there was nothing right. All you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. I'm better off when I look at what I've done.
We are now at the initiation wells, which attract everyone to imagine the activities that might have happened in the past. The two wells in the property better resemble underground towers lined with stairs. These wells never served as water sources. Instead, they were used for ceremonial purposes that included tarot initiation rites.
Just fine, I'm gonna shine. I'm alright. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong, I'll get it done. I'm alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes. Tables turn and you're on your own. When I think about
The Regaleira Palace holds the same name as the entire estate. The structure's facade is characterized by flamboyant Gothic pinnacles, gargoyles, capitals, and an impressive octagonal tower.
when I look at what when I think about the things you took from